Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. I am so incredibly thrilled you're here today because we are tackling a topic that is literally reshaping the way we cook. Today, we're unlocking the science, the rigorous laboratory data, and the absolute top expert picks for portable induction cooking. If you have ever been frustrated by a burner that just takes forever to heat up, or, a kitchen that feels like an absolute sauna in the middle of July, you are definitely in the right place. We're going to dive into the hard facts and the top-tested hardware to show you exactly why this technology is completely taking over. So, here is our roadmap for today. We'll kick things off with the magic of induction. Then we'll look at the actual proof in the data, move on to the top portable picks, and finally wrap up with some really practical tips for cooking with induction. All right, Section 1, the magic of induction. Let's look at how magnets transform your cookware right into the heat source. For decades, we've basically just put up with slow, inefficient gas flames or those glowing electric coils. But here is the scientific solution to all of that. Magnetic induction is the generation of a high-frequency alternating magnetic field, which induces heat-generating eddy currents directly within a ferrous pan's base. Now, I know that sounds like a lot of intense physics, but it simply means we are using magnets to heat the pan directly instead of heating the stove's surface first. The stove itself isn't actually generating heat at all, it's just generating a magnetic field.
Think about it like this. That magnetic energy completely bypasses the cool ceramic top of the stove and reacts directly with the metal of your pan. So the pan essentially becomes its own heat source. It's a total game changer. This is exactly why your kitchen temperature stays super comfortable while your food cooks ridiculously fast. There are no open flames, no glowing red-hot coils radiating all that wasted heat out into your room.
Moving right along to Section 2, Proof in the Data. We've got some fascinating laboratory testing from EPRI on cooking efficiency and speed.
92%. Just let that number sink in for a second. When we look at the extensive laboratory testing from the Electric Power Research Institute, this massive number represents induction's energy efficiency. When you put electricity into an induction cooktop, literally 92% of that energy goes directly into cooking your food. That is an absolutely astonishing level of efficiency, and it directly translates to keeping your kitchen cool, boiling water in record time, and ultimately keeping some extra cash in your wallet because you aren't wasting money heating the air around your stove.
To put that 92% into perspective, the contrast with what we're used to is pretty staggering. So induction stands tall at 92% efficiency, right? Well, compare that to your standard radiant electric glass tops, which are sitting around 72%. But then look at residential gas. It operates at a surprisingly low 47% efficiency. No way, right? That means over half the energy you pay for when you use a gas stove is just escaping out into your kitchen, heating up the room instead of your actual meal. But hey, efficiency isn't just about blasting things with high heat. It's also about pinpoint control. To really prove this, EPRI's laboratory data compared a standard induction model with an advanced Luxene induction unit. They ran a test melting chocolate, which, if you bake, you know is one of the most delicate culinary tasks out there. The standard unit pulsed at a really high 3.6 kilowatts, and that actually caused the chocolate to harden and burn after about 15 minutes. The advanced Luxene unit, however, pulsed gently at just 700 watts. And the result? It kept the chocolate perfectly, beautifully melted for over 20 minutes. That's the exact kind of laboratory-proven control that chefs dream of, stopping your delicate ingredients from seizing up and, completely saving your dessert.
Okay, Section 3, Top Portable Picks. Let's look at the absolute best models tested by the experts at Good Housekeeping and Woman in Home. Portable induction hobs are so perfect if you're going through a kitchen renovation, if you're hosting a big party, or honestly, if you just want to try the tech out without ripping out your whole stove. Whether you're a total beginner wanting an affordable entry point or a hardcore culinary hobbyist, there's a perfect Goldilocks choice here for you. For the budget-conscious folks, the IKEA Tilreda at around 45 pounds is fantastic. It even has this really clever, travel-friendly integrated cord handle. For everyday value, the experts absolutely loved the $85 Duxtop 9100 MC. It boasts 15 precise temperature settings and a really solid 1800 watts of power. And okay, if you want the ultimate premium experience, brace your wallet. The Breville Control Freak at $1,300 gives you mind-blowing exact 1 degree Fahrenheit increment control. You can literally set it to exactly 143 degrees if you want to.
And the experts found some really outstanding alternatives too, depending on how exactly you like to cook. Need extra space? Go with the Von Chef. It's ranked the best overall double hob for multitasking. Always in a rush?
The premium Smeg literally boiled water in just 1 single minute during testing. If you're a bit of a science nerd and want absolute precision, the Salton model really stood out for having the most even heat distribution. And get this, it even includes a built-in temperature probe. And for students or absolute beginners, the Tefal Everyday is extremely lightweight and comes packed with some super helpful cooking presets.
Finally, Section 4. Practical tips for induction. Let's get you set up and started with your new magnetic cooktop.
Now, before you even plug your new hardware in, we have to address the elephant in the room. This is the single most common question, and honestly, the biggest fear people have when they think about switching to induction. Do I need to throw out all my favorite cookware and buy entirely new pots and pans? Well, the answer might surprise you, and it's definitely going to save you some stress and some money.
It all boils down to the simple magnet test. Seriously, just go grab a standard refrigerator magnet and hold it to the bottom of your pan. If it sticks firmly, guess what? Your pan is induction ready. It really is that simple. Your favorite heavy cast iron skillets, those beautiful enameled iron Dutch ovens, and most of your magnetic stainless steel will work absolutely perfectly because they contain the ferrous metal needed to hold the induction current. You're really only going to run into trouble with pure aluminum, pure copper, or glass cookware. Those simply don't have the metal required to interact with that magnetic field.
As for maintenance and cleaning, induction is an absolute dream, but you do need to follow a few super simple steps. First, always make sure the bottoms of your pans are completely clean so you don't accidentally drag grit across and scratch up that beautiful glass. Second, if you spill something, just wipe it up immediately with a damp sponge. And here is the truly brilliant part. Because the glass surface itself doesn't get intensely hot like an old-school electric coil does, spilled food basically never bakes or burns onto the surface. Cleanup is usually just a quick wipe with a damp cloth. Literally, no heavy scrubbing or elbow grease required. Oh, and finally, make sure you never use abrasive, caustic cleaners like bleach or ammonia because they can actually cloud or crack the glass over time.
Which brings us to our final thought for today. When you consider the laboratory-proven speed, that incredible 92% efficiency rating, the absolute safety of a cooktop that stays cool to the touch, and the massive flexibility of having portable culinary power anywhere you can find an outlet, it really leaves us wondering why we would ever choose to cook the old, inefficient way ever again. So, is it time for you to unplug from the past and bring the magic of magnets into your own kitchen? I really hope this explainer has given you the clarity and the cold hard data you need to decide for yourself. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and happy cooking.